Buick. Yeah. What are you guys getting ready for?
Synchro!
Tell everybody at home, where are we going?
Pittsburgh Bears!
For?
What?
For?
I just told them. Can I see them real fast?
No,
Why?
because I'm holding it.
Sunflower seeds, barbecue kind.
I came here to eat sunflower seeds and kick some ass. And I'm fresh out of sunflower seeds. Don't drop them on the seat.
I did it.
Rolling out in the Lincoln. Job driving down, Jess. Many mushrooms.
Boxing.
Must have had a bunch of logs. Yeah? Well, golly there, Gomer.
Golly there, guys. Because it's starting to get a little dark. But I don't know if I'll be taking care Why are there so many Pennsylvanias?
Because we live there, butthead.
Honda Village. What?
It's Haley being a butthead. Hello, 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 and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. Little garage update today because I'm really running like a crazy person. Subaru will be going with a friend of mine. He needs a project for his schooling, and I'm volunteering the Subaru. So the Subaru will be fixed, not by me. I'm sorry. It was in the plans, but things just happened. He needed a car. I'm trying to help him out. Number two, you'll notice I haven't been driving the SVT, and I feel I need to give you an explanation to that. So, the story is, I was visiting a friend of mine. They live out in the country, big long road. Here's the keys. Been locked door. Long, dirt area going back to their drive to their house, and thought I was over far enough, and I wasn't. The exhaust hit a rock in the middle of the driveway, knocked the entire exhaust off. So I have to get it pulled down, find a flex pipe for it, so I can get it put back together. In the meantime, I'm driving the Mustang, and I also got another little surprise for you of something else that I got done, surprisingly, but I didn't get on video. Alright, back on this beast. I promised you a little update. finally got the transmission out of it. This thing did everything it could to kick my ass, because that transmission did not want to come out. But it's out. I gotta get clutch pulled. I'm gonna pull the clutch, check it out, because I think the slave cylinder is bad, but I just hate to put a slave cylinder in it and not check that clutch and have a bigger problem. Transmission's inside here. Oof. So here's the transmission. Not too bad inside. It's a little greasy, dirty, but not too bad. The one CV shaft didn't want to separate, so it was. But we did manage to get it out, and we're going to keep working on it and get it going completely, because long story short, my friend Tim needs a car, and this car is probably going to go to him. So definitely replacing the slave cylinder. I'll get probably a clutch kit to go with it, just because I'm already in this far. So it's just a matter of getting the money, and then I'll be moving on to that 66 and that MGA. So I'm going to start getting in on these classics, but I just got to get through some of the basic cars that I'm having issues with right now, just my drivers, and then we can go from there.